let's start with who created it. The guy who created it is a guy called Devon. Check his website out, right? Apparently he's a personal development coach. You know, his website is actually pretty lit, I'm not gonna lie, right? So he actually is a real person out there doing things, and not some shady scammer hacker, from dark web or whatever. All right, so let us talk about the investment cost, because this is very, very important. Let's talk about the investment cost. The cost to get started with this program is $9.95 for a trial version. All right, $9.95 for a trial version. All right, you can test it out for about 14 days, and then they're going to charge you $47 per month to use the system. All right, now there is a 60-day money-back guarantee, so that's a good thing. All right, the other thing that you're gonna have to pay for with this is Aweber. Aweber, you get a 30-day free trial, and then $19 per month after that. And you're gonna need ClickMagick, which is a 14-day free trial, and then $27 per month after that. Also, you're gonna need to spend $1 per click, so that's $99 US per every 100 clicks. All right, so that's the investment cost to put this program into practice. So before we really get into the meat and potatoes of the program, we're going to talk about the bonuses. I think that this program has a lot of good bonuses. All right, check down here, the resource center. They have like all of these videos. These videos are really good and really helpful, especially for beginners. They have the email swipes. Let's take a look around, check it out. Personal development, there's a bunch of audio books and PDFs. Check this out. And there's 16 ways to get free traffic. I thought that this was really good as well. Very, very useful. And I want to go back over here, and I want to bring this particular video for anyone that decides to buy it. This video is a video that you need to watch. How to get discounted traffic on your opt-in pages if you're on a budget. All right, so basically in this video he talks about how to use Udemy ads in order to get solo traffic if you can't afford the super expensive traffic that they have up here. That's basically like $100 per click, right? It's a bit more expensive. Yeah, so the cheapest traffic is for like $100 per click, but if you can see, weight loss traffic is more expensive at $2 per click, right? That's ridiculous. That's way too expensive. And this one is, so home business is the cheapest traffic you can get. But like I said, in this education center over here, and in this video where they talk about cheap traffic, this is a big help. A little bit of stuff is missing from that, but anyway, let's take a quick look at the Facebook group. Where did I put it? Oh, here we go. All right, so I actually just applied to this Facebook group. So the Facebook group has 1,100 members. They had 300 of those members over the past couple of days. So it's growing because this product is being promoted. This is really hot right now, and this product is perfect for beginners, people that are trying to make money from home, but they don't have much experience or they don't have much time. The name, it says 12-minute affiliate system, basically talks about the fact that you can set the system up in 12 minutes. But let me tell you right now, that's a lie. You can't set it up in 12 minutes because you need to create an Aweber, and you need to do all these other things that you never did before. So it takes about 2 to 3 to 4 hours to set up. That's still pretty fast, but it's not 12 minutes. All right, just to get that out of the way. If you already have an Aweber and you already have prior experience dealing with like online business, making money from home, MMO, weight loss, whatever the niche may be, if you already have prior experience with that, it's going to take you 12 minutes because it took me 12 minutes to set it up, right? But for like newbies, no, it's not going to take you 12 minutes. All right, let's get into a little bit more about the program itself. Getting started right over here, and they take you to all of these different steps. Quick start checklist. Get a free affiliate account in 2 minutes, right? That's just basically going to ClickBank and signing up for a free account. Get your autoresponder. It takes you through the steps that give you the autoresponder. There's a video, and you can actually read it. I prefer the written version because it's like, it's way easier to understand, and it's really good. You can take your time and get it done, without having to pause the video continuously. Set up the autoresponder. Talks about good old Aweber, and let's see what we have. 12. Activate the funnels. You need the sales funnels, and get the done for you traffic where you're going to buy that super expensive top tier traffic that they have. All right, now let us take a look. Before I move on to the testimonials, this is the one thing that's missing from this program. Anytime you're buying paid traffic, you need ClickMagic. Because if you're buying paid traffic and you're not using ClickMagic, anyone can people can scam you. All right, people can give you fake traffic, can give you bot clicks, they can give you machine clicks. They can give you clicks from tier 3 countries. Top tier countries refer to English speaking countries. Tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. So you want tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3. Those are from poor countries that don't even speak English. They don't have credit cards. You're not going to get sales. So you want top tier traffic, and the only way to really track it is to have ClickMagic. This thing right here, where they talk about done for you traffic, they actually took care of all of that. They're actually going to source it, make sure it's legit traffic, make sure it's not bot clicks, make sure everything is legit, yada yada yada. But that is pretty expensive, right? And that's not good for beginners, right? Because that would make people get discouraged, because you're going to buy traffic and they might not get sales right away, and they might get discouraged, right? So if you're going to find other ways to get cheaper traffic, and you go through the training video and you go to Udemy, right, and you learn how to first traffic. This is the last one. All right, this guy, I bought traffic from him, about 100 clicks, and I got like 60 quality visitors, 1 filtered, and 66 useless. So he sent me 130 clicks, and half of them were garbage. All right, so because I was tracking and because I paid for top tier, those clicks got bounced. I got refunded for the clicks that he didn't send me. Out of the 60, I got like 23 opt-ins, which is fine, which is perfect. That was only like 7, 8, 9 days ago. That's fine. All right, but if you don't use ClickMagic, you have no defense. Check this out. You see this says this is referring to fake clicks, flagged clicks, bot clicks. All right, this is what this is. That's fake clicks. All right, so with ClickMagic, if you're gonna buy traffic from anywhere, you need this. If you get traffic from Google or Facebook, you don't need ClickMagic. But if you get like solo ads, you definitely need it. All right, and I felt like the program was missing that in it. It was missing that. Even when he did the video, he didn't talk about ClickMagic. He talked about all this other stuff about asking the people to test traffic and blah blah blah, which it was good, but they can still find ways to trick you. You know what I mean? So you need ClickMagic, because if they send you fake clicks, you're going to get a real-time update, and you can screenshot it and send it to them and say, hey, yo, you're sending me fake clicks. They're going to clean it up, send proper clicks. You can even go to Udemy and get their profile revoked if they don't want to send you the real clicks. All right. So let's move on to something. Where is it? I had a browser open with it. Let me see if I can. Damn it. Alright, whatever, let's move forward. Alright, so there are some pretty good testimonials on this though. So those testimonials are in the what am I saying? Those testimonials are in the sales video that would be on the sales page. So this is mine right here. So with those testimonials, like, a lot of people are actually having success with this, right? And the thing about it is that you can have success too. So the testimonials are in here, right? In this video, right? So you can have success with it too. Again, like I said, it's mainly for beginners, and it's not my cup of tea. The good thing about it is that the done for you system, it actually works. This funnel, this system that they're promoting here, this is the system that all affiliates use to make money online. The second thing is that the customer service is very, 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 very good. You get the 60-day money back guarantee. The other thing is that that's good about it is that it teaches you the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. All right. But the bad thing about it is that it doesn't allow for you to really grow and scale and become an internet giant, an internet marketer, someone that, you know, that's among the top players. All right, because this system, they're doing everything for you. You're not learning the fundamental skills. They build your funnels for you, they build everything for you, they do it all for you here. And that's, well, that's fine if you don't have like a lot of time or whatever. It doesn't allow for you to learn these important skills. See, instant funnels, you just jump in here, you got instant funnels. This is nonsense. Like, it's good if you don't want to do any work and you just have like maybe $2,000 that you want to just get invested with, and you want to get started making money online. You can do it, sure. But if you really want to grow and you really want to create a lot, like a business that's going to be like something that's going to be massive, that you can scale into a giant, right? Sure. If you're just trying to make a little extra bucks, fine. So that is my take on this product. Again, it's a good product for beginners. You're gonna have to invest some money. You need Click Magic. Don't do anything buying any traffic without Click Magic, because even this so-called done for you traffic in here that they have, this can be fake. This can be fake. I don't think it's fake, but this can be fake, and you never know unless you're not testing. So you need Click Magic if you're gonna use this program. All right, so that's the program right here. That's my review on it. Links in the description. I'm out.